Asana versus Basecamp. Best for project management? If you're stuck deciding between Asana and Basecamp for your project management needs, you're not alone. Both of these platforms are popular, but which one is truly the best for your team? In this video, we'll dive into their features, pros, cons, and ultimately, I'll reveal which one I think might not be your best option. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you a better alternative that I've personally tried, and it might surprise you. Next, let's talk about Asana's key features. Asana is all about flexibility and customization. You can create multiple project types, whether you need a simple to-do list or a detailed timeline with dependencies. It integrates well with a variety of apps, making it a solid choice for teams that rely on different tools. But the complexity can be a downside, especially for small teams or solo entrepreneurs who don't need all those bells and whistles. Asana's learning curve can be steep, and sometimes it feels like you're spending more time setting things up than actually managing your projects. Now, Basecamp. Basecamp offers a more streamlined approach. It simplifies project management by consolidating everything into a central location: tasks, communication, file sharing, and scheduling. If you don't want to deal with too many features and just need to get work done without the fuss, Basecamp can be a great option. However, this simplicity comes at a cost. You're limited in how you can organize tasks, and the lack of advanced features like task dependencies means it's not as suited for larger teams or complex projects. Next thing, pricing. Asana offers a freemium model with a paid version that unlocks more advanced features like timeline views, reporting, and priority support. The pricing can get pricey as your team grows, especially if you need to upgrade for more access to those premium features. Basecamp, on the other hand, has a flat rate, just one price for unlimited users. That sounds great, but keep in mind that the simplicity of Basecamp also means fewer features, so you might find that the price isn't justified for larger teams with complex needs. The fourth thing to consider is collaboration. Asana excels in this department with its variety of ways to interact with your team. Whether it's comments, task assignments, or project views, Asana gives you plenty of tools to keep everyone on the same page. Basecamp does offer chat and to-do lists, but it's not as robust. It's really geared more toward communication than deep collaboration within tasks, which could be a deal breaker for some teams. Now, let's be real, no software is perfect. Asana's flexibility can also be a negative. All that customization can overwhelm you, especially if your team isn't tech-savvy or if you're just looking to get things done quickly. It can take time to set up and learn, and that can slow you down in the beginning. On the other hand, Basecamp's simplicity can also be limiting. It's great for smaller teams or straightforward projects, but if you need advanced features, you might find yourself wanting more. So, what's the best choice? Well, both Asana and Basecamp are good for project management, but I've found that they each have their drawbacks. After trying both, I can say that neither is perfect if you're looking for something that combines simplicity with the ability to scale as your team grows. And that's where I want to offer you a better alternative. If you want a more balanced project management tool that offers both powerful features and ease of use, without the high cost or learning curve, check out the first link in the description. This tool has a free trial, and if you sign up through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. Asana and Basecamp each have their place, but if you want something that truly delivers, click the link and start your free trial today.